Hi everyone, hope it's going well for you. I'm here, just relaxing, just chilling, and I'm talking about what is it? How to improve your credit score. And doesn't matter if it's personal or business. Um, when you're trying to get like credit cards or business funding, it affects your personal credit. They based on your personal credit score. So how you want to improve your credit score is that you have to fix your credit repair, and people are maxed out the credit card these days. Recession, in this recession, like inflation, with the things we're going right now, it's getting crazy. Times are tough right now. People are maxing out the credit card for gas, groceries, and stuff like that, and then they're maxed out, and then they send the collections. And when they send collections, and they're making money off the interest, the credit bureaus, and if you can't pay it in full, as a collection, you can't afford to pay it. There's a way to fix your credit. I'm gonna put the description. I met him at the networking events, and it's hard to find good, trusted people when it comes to repairing your credit. And he tells you a straight price, no overcharging people to repair your credit. And finally got a chance to talk to him, met him based on referral, and it has a three set price. You can pay um, monthly, like the cheapest one, or you can do like monthly, or you can do one time payment, like a 1,500. He'll guide you through while you're fixing your credit. And don't try to like run your credit. Try to apply for a credit card because your credit score is really bad and stuff like that. When your credit score is bad, you cannot get credit cards or business credit card, and then or business funding. A lot of people go to networking events like business entrepreneurs, business owner. That the other LA County I went to networking events, they have bad credit scores. So when you have a bad credit score, you cannot get business financing. You can't do anything to start your own business or get loan because uh, your credit factor is because you borrowed money and you couldn't pay it back, late payments, delayed payments. Your credit card closed out before they charge off and they went to collections and stuff like that. And it's just sad, but you don't have to pay it if you can't afford to pay the collection. Um, these people will fix your credit, repair your credit. They're like honesty and they don't overcharge people. Um, Affordable. You can do monthly, and you'll see the results. And it takes about 6 months to see your credit repair to boost up, and then you have to do a lot of trade lines, which is gonna guide you through step by step. Not just to fix your credit, but they're gonna teach you financially how to build your income and stuff like that, and then get more trade lines from credit unions. So the best bet, so they increase your credit limit and teach you the strategy how to use the system so you can pay off your credit card bills on time. And then after you clean up your personal credit, you can actually get a business credit card, or start a business, or start your business formation. So I'm really thankful for these guys for guiding me through and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put the description below if you want to improve your credit or fix your credit to get ahead in life and don't have to worry about credit card debts or business credit card or business funding, whatever situation you're in right now, and you just want to clean up and 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 so you don't get left behind or incurring credit card debt. So that way you're financially free. You don't have to worry about payments and stuff like that. So you have cash flow and you're paying all the balances. So you don't go back where you used to be, back in this same old place, like wearing your credit card debt. So that's the worst position to be in. So just fix your credit as soon as possible, but it takes time. There's not to like, there's not like a fast about credit to repair your credit. It takes time, like 3 6 months to like 6 months. Within 6 months, you'll be credit will be score high, and then you gotta do a lot of trade lines, which is it takes time, and then you have to get educated. And which I love about these people, that they really love to educate and be even guiding people too. And then um, they're getting grants from the city and the government, in which they're going to teach more classes, education about the youth, about building the credit score. So hope this helps you how to improve your credit score. All right. Thank you and have a wonderful day.